Service in Great Falls. For the following counties in Montana, Shodo, Ponderay, and Teton. The National Weather Service in Great Falls has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Ponderay County in north-central Montana, northeastern Teton County in north-central Montana, western Shodo County in north-central Montana until 2:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 2:10 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Brady, or 9 miles southeast of Conrad, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and ping-pong ball-size hail. Source, radar and law enforcement indicated. The storm has a history of producing hail up to golf ball size. In fact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Conrad, Dutton, Brady, and Collins. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send a report to the National Weather Service office in Great Falls. Here is a special weather statement from the National Weather Service in Great Falls. For the following counties in Montana, Cascade, Shodo, Judith Basin, and Teton. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 356, effective until 8 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Montana, Cascade, Shodo, Judith Basin, and Teton. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Here is a severe thunderstorm warning announcement from the National Weather Service in Great Falls. For the following county, Shodo, Montana. The National Weather Service in Great Falls has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Shodo County in north-central Montana until 3 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 2:27 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Jolene, or 23 miles southeast of Fort Benton, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Geraldine and Scorbut. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Here is a severe thunderstorm warning announcement from the National Weather Service in Great Falls. For the following counties in Montana, Shodo, Fergus, and Judith Basin. The National Weather Service in Great Falls has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Judith Basin County in central Montana, west central Fergus County in central Montana, south central Shodo County in north central Montana until 3:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 2:58 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles northwest of Denton, or 22 miles north of Stanford, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Denton and Coffee Creek. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Here are the 2 p.m. observations across north, central, and southwest Montana. Here is a severe thunderstorm warning announcement from the National Weather Service in Great Falls. For the following counties in Montana, Cascade, and Choteau, the National Weather Service in Great Falls has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Choteau County in north central Montana, northeastern Cascade County in central Montana, until 3:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 3:13 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 14 miles north of Black Eagle, or 15 miles north of Great Falls, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Highwood, Carter, Flowery, Portage, and Malmstrom Air Force Base. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. For the following counties in Montana, Cascade, Choteau, Fergus, and Judith Basin, the National Weather Service in Great Falls has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Judith Basin County in central Montana, western Fergus County in central Montana, southern Choteau County in north central Montana, northeastern Cascade County in central Montana, until 4:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 3:44 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Highwood, or 22 miles south of Fort Benton, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Stanford, Geraldine, Denton, Highwood, Shonkin, Coffee Creek, and Square Butte. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm has a history of producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Great Falls. Here are the 3. Here is a severe thunderstorm warning announcement from the National Weather Service in Great Falls. For the following county, Cascade, Montana, the National Weather Service in Great Falls has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Cascade County in central Montana until 4:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 3:59 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located just north of Black Eagle, or near Great Falls, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Malmstrom Air Force Base around 4:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time and Belt around 4:40 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Arlington, Portage, Malmstrom Air Force Base, San Cooley, Stockton, Tracy, and Centerville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. Large large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close